Okay, so this is my video that I'm making. I'm gonna do a wash in here. You always want to make sure that that filter is clean. So I'm about to clean it because I actually washed last night. And you want to make sure every time that this hose is put down just like that. You see? And it's gonna go all the way to the drain. And I have a screen that I put, okay, and that should be clean. You want to make sure that that's clean, see? That's how I clean it. And then you just get a tissue and voila! Clean. Okay. So I just now cleaned this filter. It may not look all that clean, but it's cleaner than what it was. Some of the stuff on the sides is a little hard to get off, but the way you clean it is you push this in side out like that, and then you just take all the lint off with both hands, of course. Okay, and then make sure it's right side up, and then you gotta just oops. We're gonna slide it back in place right here. It's usually not this hard. There you go. I slid it back in place. So now it's ready for me to put clothes in. Okay? So there we go. Okay, I just want to show you. So this is a pretty big blanket. Okay? It's a pretty big blanket. But it fits. See? There's that. And I can actually fit something else. Hold on. Okay, so here is a bed sheet, a fitted bed sheet that I'm putting in with the blanket. And trust me, the blanket's in there with the sheet. Okay, and then the shower hose. I don't like using these inlets, water inlet. This is a Zeny washing machine, by the way. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and turn on the water. Now for my washer, I have a large one, and it takes approximately 7 minutes for it to fill up. Approximately 7 minutes. So I just leave it there for a little while, and I usually wear a timer on me. Okay, so I bought this timer at Walmart. It only cost me $1. So to reset it, I have to press both of these at the same time, and then it goes back to 0, so it resets. So I go, it's already been on for like 2 minutes, or 1 minute. So I'm gonna put it right there. And it has a little clip that I clip my shirt with. I just clip it on my t-shirt, and when it beeps, I know to come back and turn off the water. Okay, when you start to fill your washer, you always want to make sure that your drain right there, that button, see if focus, see right here it says drain. You want to make sure that it's up here, standard. I've never used that one before, so anyways, okay, you want to use that. Okay, and you don't need a lot of soap in this washing machine. I use powder because it's actually cheaper, and that kind of looks like a lot. I don't, maybe I put a little too much, but if you're using liquid, you'll be fine. I don't have a problem with the powder. It doesn't really stick to the clothes. Okay, so here's my timer. My timer is going off right now. And that's how it sounds. Press the button start.